Hi, this is Nish from Econ Systems. We are at Automate Show 2023 at Detroit. We would like to showcase one more demo from our end. So here you can see our latest Nilcam 80 that based out of 8MP Sony IMX415 series camera, and it is connected to an Qualcomm Robotics RB5 development kit. Here you can see Econ developed our own camera adapter board which can connect either GMSM cables or you can connect IPX cables through MIPI. And that's it pretty much. In short, you should be able to get more about this from our website. Please do visit econsystems.com, and thank you. Have a good day.